Hey friends, Zach here. I'm currently just north of Denver, Colorado, and I'm prepared to make my first salmon. So we're gonna see how this goes. Right now I'm currently at this lake area. Got some nice mountains in the background, but it looks like a pretty good spot to give my first attempt on a salmon cooking. So we're gonna fire up the grill here and we'll see how it goes. I gotta be completely 100% honest here. I don't know if you're supposed to put onions and peppers in when you're cooking a salmon, but it seems like the right thing to do, so let's just move on and we'll see what happens. Seems like I'm doing something right. I don't know. It smells great. We'll see how this turns out. So I have absolutely no idea if this is right. I don't know. I mean, it looks good. It smells good. Let me hit the flame here. I already kind of snuck in a little taste test earlier, but let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks pretty good. It's not too bad. That's pretty good. I think maybe I should use some lemon. I don't have any lemon, but this is pretty good. If you guys have any recommendations on different ways to cook salmon, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you on the next one.